Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you step by step on how to log into eTrade for quick access to the markets. Follow these simple instructions to get started. Step 1. Open your web browser. Begin by launching your preferred web browser on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. Step 2. Navigate to the eTrade website. In the address bar, type in the official eTrade website URL www.etrade.com and press enter. Step 3. Locate the login button. Once the website loads, look for the login button. This is usually found in the upper right-hand corner of the homepage. Step 4. Enter your user ID. Click on the login button to be directed to the login page. Here, you will need to enter your user ID. Make sure to input the correct information to avoid any login issues. Step 5. Input your password. After entering your user ID, proceed to input your password in the designated field. Double-check for any typos to ensure a successful login. Step 6. Enable two-factor authentication. Optional. If you have set up two-factor authentication for added security, you may be prompted to enter a code sent to your mobile device or email. Complete this step if applicable. Step 7. Click on the Login button. Once both your user ID and password are entered, click on the Login button to access your eTrade account. Step 8. Explore the platform. Congratulations, you are now logged in. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the eTrade platform and explore the various features it offers for trading and investment. Thank you for following along with our guide on how to log into eTrade. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like it and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Happy trading!